Hi, my name is Dr. Ford, and we're going over myths of food. The myth today is if you eat right, you can avoid chronic disease. Whew, that's a big one. And so this myth assumes that there is a right and wrong way to eat. The truth is, you can't really eat wrong. You either eat or you don't eat. There's no kind of in between. Now, maybe you choose foods that are going to impact your health in a way that's not beneficial for a certain disease. Now, that's a lot of words, and I think people will take a lot of words and make a summary, and the summary is different than what was actually intended. Again, this is kind of semantics, but the energy of I can eat right, then that assumes that if you eat wrong, you have complete control over chronic disease. Most diseases, chronic diseases, do have a genetic component. And yes, you have the ability to kind of shift genes. I do believe in that. There's also so many other things that go along with it. Eating and the what of eating is just one piece of the puzzle. Your environment, your nervous system, your support system, your sleep, your drugs that you take, the stimulants that you take, all of those play into an effect, and the what of eating is just one piece of the puzzle. And so regulating how your body uses that food is so important. Your digestion, your detoxification system, and all of those things, they're so trendy right now. And it doesn't just take a product or a pill or a potion. It's so much more integrated. It's so much more complicated than one thing. And so yes, eating kale and eating celery and all of these things, there's definitely foods that have more nutrition than others, like cookies or cakes or ice cream. Yet, the energy of how you eat the kale, the cookies, and the cakes and ice cream, and how you regulate it, and if your body is able to withstand the nutrition that's in those things, is going to be much more powerful. So it is a myth that you can eat right and avoid disease. There's a lot of nuances in that. You can eat perfectly and be suffering from one of the most fatal mental illnesses. Actually, the second biggest killer of mental illness is anorexia, and they eat perfect. That brain is meant to eat perfectly, and it will kill you. And so you can't eat perfect. You can't eat dirty. You can't eat clean. You either eat or you don't. So tread lightly. Choose foods that are aligned with you and your goals, but sometimes we don't even know our goals, so you have to clarify that. And figure out what feels comfortable for you, because you matter. Your emotional state matters, your nervous system matters, and your goals do matter. And I hope that you can find a space to navigate that slowly and safely. Okay, thank you.